Hey guys, welcome to the third part of my buggy building series. In this episode, we will puzzle together the drivetrain and weld in all the remaining parts to complete the tube frame chassis. We will start with the driveshaft tunnel and fit these tabs that will hold the gearbox. I will continue with the driveshaft because the exact length of it will determine the exact position of the differential. First I cut a big portion out of the Sierra driveshaft because we will shorten it by 400 mm. After that I roughly cut the first part of the Omega driveshaft with an angle grinder. The right length will be adjusted on a lathe. After lathing is done, I stitch the front part of the Omega driveshaft to the front of the shortened Sierra driveshaft.
Usually it has 4 notes in one bar. Then you add some chorus. Now a bit of delay. I know you can't hear the delay so much yet, but look what happened when we add some groove to the bass line. Perfect.
Initially, I planned that the engine and gearbox will be mounted rigidly as a stressed member. But later I ditched this and removed these mounting points, as you will see in later episodes. But for now they came in handy and made setting up the driveline much easier. With everything aligned, I welded in the mounting plates for the diff. Next came the engine mounts, which consists of 3 parts. A plate on the engine side, a threaded insert on the chassis side, and a tube that connects the two. First, I fixed the plate to the engine and the insert to the chassis. And after the engine was in place, I welded the tube in. This ensured the engine mount to be accurate.
No, the snare needs to be more snappy. Oh yeah. There may be some moving bongo line. Yes, keep it simple. Like this. Perfect. Hey, you in the back. Can you play some bongo, please? Oh yeah, and you as well.
I kept these bracing tubes for last to have better access when mounting the engine. Now it's time to weld them in and finish welding all the parts which were only held together by stitch welding.
And of course, Italo wouldn't be great without what about changing the bass line? Yeah.
Meno male che l'Italo Disco c'è.
Now that everything is in place, after a few hours of grinding, the chassis is ready to see the sunlight for the first time and get painted. I didn't went over the top with the paint. I used a 2K well-through edge primer as a first layer and finished it off with 2 coats of matte black epoxy paint.
What is Italo, you say?
After it dried, the chassis went back to the shed, so we can continue with the assembly process.